Hey, Lee Martin here from Rally Connects, Yeti Snow MX ambassador for the province of Ontario. So I had a watch of the new release of the 2026 snow check for Yeti, and if you haven't seen it already, it is off the hook. Everything is really different on it, and I'm super excited about it. The other thing that I got a chance to be a part of that was only open to dealers and ambassadors was this very special meeting with the creators of Yeti Snow MX, along with their marketing department and their R&D guys. And they were talking about the kits and saying about all these different things. And I may not get this all exactly right, but I'm going to be pretty close. The one thing that they don't really, they didn't say in the video exactly was, or I might be mistaken, is that the brand new kits are even stronger, and I believe they're a little bit lighter than the previous year kits that Camso was producing. So, in other words, they said in some sections it's 100% stronger, which is mind-blowing, and in most other sections it's 30% stronger. The other thing they did is they've gotten away with all the aluminum bracketing that's in behind the carbon fiber for what Camso thought would be structural integrity. And it's all now back to carbon fiber again. So that's actually saved some weight, and they've also designed it so it's stronger. I mean, Kevin and Jamie and the rest of the guys over there at Yeti Snow MX, I mean, they know carbon fiber, they know structural engineering, they know what's tough, what works, what doesn't work. They're so confident that their new track is going to be that strong and that good that they have their warranty, for anything. Like if your buddy smashes into your tunnel because you were having fun boondocking, tunnel's covered under warranty. If you rail it off of the side of a tree or a rock because you're trying to do something epic and you break it, I don't know how you're going to, but if you do, full cover on warranty. Everything is 100% warranty, except for things like brake pads and bearings. That's just wearable, consumable parts, right? But the tunnel, like the rails, like anything that's not a wearable item, normal wearable item from everyday use, is being covered. The other thing that I found that was really cool in the video was, what was it again? Oh yeah. So they're talking the way that this new air suspension, so it's the one shock now, and the way it articulates works really well. So they didn't talk about how it might benefit us in our conditions here in Ontario, but I certainly hope to find out real soon. But what they're saying is when you're in the mountains going over those side drifts, sometimes out there the track kind of loses traction when you hit like a softer drift, and then kind of wallows in and you kind of lose that forward momentum. They said with this new setup, how well it tracks the snow, that it eliminates that problem. So that's pretty special. I know here, I've kind of wanted to get going up a hill and we get this big cut and scoop. And if I can't keep that track on the ground moving snow, you'll tend not to make it up the hill. So I think we'll be making it up more hills. And then, of course, the last thing that was really cool, and I have to confirm on this too, because I was a little confused, but I'm pretty sure when you order a 129, you can get a short tunnel or a longer tunnel. So I'm going to guess that that's pretty much for either weight savings or appearance. I don't know exactly, but I have a 120 track on another bike with a 120 tunnel, and boy, does it ever look epic. It just looks like a hot rod ready to chew you up and spit you out. So that was pretty cool. And there's a lot more available. They didn't talk about the front ski or spindle, but I'm pretty sure it's the same, because it's already kind of awesome. And yeah, I don't think they really need to change that all too much at all. So that's super cool, super awesome. So yeah, let's hope let's hope that we can get you guys out there and moving over to Yeti and trying out the product. And we're gonna do everything we possibly can here at Rally Connects to have some demo rides available for you in these conditions out here to see how they perform and what they work like. We have a 2019 track right there on that kit. And then this one's a 2020. And it didn't change too much after that until Yeti took back over the company from Camso. And I mean, these kits just work phenomenal. They're just awesome. So I can only imagine the new ones are even better. So that's kind of like what I know about the whole, Yeti Snow MX 2026 snow check. Check it out. If you haven't seen the video, go have a look. It's a work of art. Thanks, guys at Yeti. You're awesome support, and can't wait to work with you guys in the future.
And let's be legendary together.
Let's be legendary together.